Cooking soul.
Never judge a book by the cover. Discover the soul brother with the mechadon.
Alright, I'm gonna make some goulash for this weekend. Got all my stuff. Even just bought me a little blender. I don't need nothing too big. Just a little small blender to chop up my veggies and stuff. And I got the green bell pepper and I got an onion back here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna fry up my hamburger and I'm gonna put some onion powder on it and some pepper and things. And I got the tomato sauce and I got some diced tomatoes around here somewhere. And I'm gonna put a little beef broth, but I'm making some goulash, childhood favorite. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix all my ingredients up and I'm gonna mix them all in one bowl, just mix it up. And I'm gonna dump the sauce. I'm actually gonna dump the sauce in the slow cooker, and then from there I'm going to dump my ingredients in there that I'm going to mix with my sauce, and then I'm going to dump my chopped veggies like the onions and green bell peppers in there too, and see how it turns out. There's different ways you could do it. You could just cook it all in the pot, but I'm gonna let my ingredients kind of just mix together in the crock pot, the sauce, the meat, and everything like that, and see how that turns out. And I also got some elbow macaroni around here somewhere, and I think I'm gonna boil that first and get it soft, and then after I do that, I'm gonna dump it in with the goulash with the meat and my ingredients and sauce and everything like that, and I'm gonna see how it turns out. See, blender work like a charm. Got my onions and my green pepper chopped up, and just gonna add that to my sauce. And like I said, I think I'm gonna put this. It's something new I'm trying, but I think I'm gonna put this in a crock pot for maybe about 2 hours. Yeah, I think I'm gonna let it set for about 2 hours, but we'll check it out, see how it turns out and everything. Right. So basically, I added the diced tomatoes to the sauce. Added some tomato paste. I added a tablespoon of salt, or actually a teaspoon of salt, and some oregano. Added that to it, and also some onion powder, and also added some garlic to the sauce, and just kind of put my own little flavoring twist on it. We're gonna see how this comes out. And I still gotta fry up my hamburger, but I'm gonna put this sauce on and go in the slow cooker on low. I'm gonna do it for about 2 hours. Then I'm gonna boil my elbow macaroni and I'm gonna add that to it. And I think I'm gonna just do like 2 cups of elbow macaroni and see how that comes out. And add a cooked hamburger in there also and see how that comes out. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on for like 2 hours. And something new I'm trying, so we're gonna see how it all comes out. I'm frying up my hamburger. I already got a pile of hamburger done. Boiling on my water, about to put my elbow macaroni up in there. And I put the pepper in my meat also, and also the onion powder, because I want that taste to go all throughout my hamburger meat also. Not just the sauce, but also in the meat. So I added some pepper and onion powder to my meat also. As you can see, I didn't use all my hamburger meat, so I'm going to just save that for tomorrow. Probably make some hamburger gravy for breakfast.